Karan Tadepalli, co-founder and CEO of byteXL. It is my immense pleasure to share good news with you all that byteXL has partnered with the tech giant Microsoft by launching a premier tech training program called Xlerate. The purpose of Xlerate program is to upskill and unleash the tech potential in student community by upholding the basic philosophy of byteXL, transforming colleges into tech hubs and knowledge hubs. Okay, now let me explain what the perks of joining Xlerate program. The aspirants can access most popular and renowned Microsoft backend programs and learning modules that are currently in huge demand like Azure. It not only trains the students to think logically but also make them learn by executing programs practically, which are powered by well-defined learning outcomes. It helps students to explore, excel, and by connecting their skilling with industry to enhance their employability factor and be job ready on day one. An aspirant can witness industry-vetted curriculum and avail premium Microsoft certifications at an affordable and discounted prices. Project and internship opportunities are also provided to eligible students who successfully complete the program. byteXL wishes you to be skilled, successful, and accelerate in life. Thank you.